Howdy everyone, it's Nelson Miller with PA Creative, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the word howdy from the admin bar. So it's just a fun little thing and it's not really that important, but you may just not want it there. So I'll give you a code snippet to remove it or show you how to remove it in Divi Assistant. So I'm sure you probably know what I'm talking about, but I'll show you. Up here in the top corner, you can see that anytime you're logged into WordPress, it says howdy and then your name, whatever username you have. So howdy, Nelson Miller. Well, I just may not want that. Maybe I have a lot of items in this admin bar. Sometimes, depending on the site and which plugins you have, there can be a lot of items and you just may want to clean it up a little bit, right? Why not? It's something simple, something, easy to do. So I have this tutorial. I'll have it linked in the description here on YouTube, but you can just check it out. There's this code here. So we're two methods. You can add PHP, right? So you can add this code, and it's the reason it's long is because it's not as simple as just hiding it with CSS. We actually have to hide the comma and the text, and we want to make sure it's hidden for different languages and different login status and all these things, right? So it's a decent snippet. You'll be able to add that in your website. Here's the instructions where to put that. You can put it in a child theme or in a code snippet plugin. I can show you that as well. But the easy way to do it, if you have Divi Assistant, is just to enable this setting and it will simply remove it. So there you can see it's enabled. I'm going to Divi Assistant, and under the utility helper, there's an admin bar sub-tab here and multiple things in here. But one of the things is just enable that setting, right? Save your changes. I'll refresh here and you can see it's already hidden. So it just says my name. And like I said, you could use code. Now this is PHP, so just treat it carefully, right? Now you don't want to do this if you already have it enabled in Divi Assistant. This would only be if you don't have Divi Assistant. So you take that and go to your child theme. I actually don't even have one on this demo. If you have a child theme, you'll go to like the theme file editor and put it in there. Or if you have a code snippet plugin, you would paste the code in there. So I do have instructions on that here if you're using the code method. But overall, there you go. It's a really simple thing. Hope you appreciate that. It may just be something you want to do for your clients so that they just looks maybe more professional. I don't know. If you like that, we actually have hundreds of tutorials like this with code snippets, and you can see all of those here on our channel or over on our website. And of course, we have the Divi Assistant plugin that you can check out as well. All right, we'll see you all in our next video.